Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to make objects in an image pop out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that using Photoshop. I'm going to zoom in at this point by using the zoom tool, and I want to select the red dress. So I'm going to go up to the tools and I'm going to choose the quick selection tool. If the tools are not showing, you go to window and then make sure you choose tools. I'm now going to select the red and I'm going to hold the shift key to get other parts of the red dress. Now you can see I'm going over, and that's okay. I'll get back to you on that later. I'm holding the shift key to try to get all of the red dress. You want to make sure you get every part of that red dress. Now notice I went over, so I'm going to hold down the Alt key and start moving the selection tool to get rid of that selection that I do not want. Like her arm here, I do not want that selected. And it's okay, let's say you did accidentally select part of her arm. I'm going to hold the shift key to get part of her arm because I'm going to show you how to deal with that if you have a problem with that. I'm going to get part of the red down here on the floor. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. I'm going to the Layers window and I'm going to click on the background layer. If the Layers window is not showing, you go to Window and then make sure you choose Layers. So I'm going to go ahead and on that background layer I will choose Image, Adjust, and then choose Desaturate. Now I'm going to zoom in a little more. Again, the zoom tool, make sure you have the plus sign at the top, not the minus, because the minus will zoom out. I'm going to go to layer 1 and I'm going to go to the eraser tool. I'm going to start erasing. If the brush is too big or too small, go up to the brush option and change the size there. I'm going to hold the space bar to move around to see if there's anything I need to clean up. And here's her hands, I'll select that, hold the space bar to move it and clean up any imperfections. As you can see down here, I need to change the brush size to get in closer to where I do not want it to have red. I'm going to choose View Actual Pixels so you can see what's going on. Once you're happy with it, you're going to do File, Save As. You're going to change it to JPEG and go ahead and name it. In this case, I'll call it Woman 2 because I already have a Woman 1, and save. This concludes the session on how to make items in an image pop out. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.